Hi, today we've added a high visibility light kit to our New Holland LS180 skid steer loader. We used a sho-me model 11.3705. It has the control, the solid state flasher, dual LED, and all the mounting hardware needed to go with it. So let me give you a quick rundown on the mounting procedure here. We mounted to our light enclosure, one LED on the left, one LED on the right, like so. We routed our wire down along the bottom of the cab heater enclosure, drilled a little hole next to the window, and ran our wire through into the cab next to the window there. I'm going to show you what we did in the cab here. In the cab, we grabbed hot wire from an accessory fuse which was not in use. We brought our wires in next to the window, up and into the wire enclosure up top here. These are our flasher wires, and then here we have our control with the power switch and mode selector. So here you go, let me show you what we have here. We'll tuck all these wires away. Okay, we got the power on. Let me show you how it looks from the back. Pretty simple installation job, took about an hour all in all. And each time you hit the mode button you get a different effect. I'll set the tripod up here and go in and hit the button a few times. Let me grab this ladder. Bear with me for just a second. There we go. Hit the mode button a few times and show you what it does. There you go. That's the whole routine. The kit cost us $185. Took about an hour of time to install from start to finish, and looks like it's going to work out pretty well. Thanks, and remember to be safe.